Alright, in this video I'm going to walk through the core support and resistance indicator, which basically shows you the daily high and low, yesterday's high and low, the pre-market high and low, and yesterday's close. These colors represent the corresponding lines and bubbles for the different price values. So for example, the daily high of 174.25 is represented right here by this bubble in this line. The 172.81 low is represented right here by the same color. And same thing for yesterday, pre-market, and the close right here. So you can change these colors. So for example, you can go to Studies, Edit Studies, or you can also right click on the chart, go down to Studies, Edit Studies, either or, and find the Trade Educator Core Support and Resistance Study. On the right hand side, click on the widget for the Settings tab to open up, and you can see we have an option for Show Level Labels, which basically is just going to turn off those labels. It's going to keep the lines and everything, all the support resistance lines and bubbles, but you can turn off the labels if you don't want them. And then, as I mentioned, you can actually change the colors. So for example, here's yesterday's low. Let's change that to that color there. Let's change yesterday's high to this color. Let's change yesterday's close to that. Pre-market low, make that white. Daily high and low, make that there. So basically, as you can see, it changed the colors of the labels so you can remember what corresponding lines and levels that represents. Besides that, you can actually go into the studies, and there's these options here for highlight highest and lowest, daily high, low, pre-market high, low, yesterday's high, low. Highlighting the highest and lowest will basically highlight the range of the highest and lowest value of all these different price levels. So for example, if I select yes, and then down here we have an option for high-low highlights. These are the colors for the various highlights that you can make possible. So for example, right now we're going to do the highest and lowest of all the different values. So highest, lowest highlight. Sorry, that's a little bit of a tongue twister, but so if I go ahead and I'm going to select the color, whatever, click OK. And as you can see, it just basically took whatever the highest value of all those different price levels was and the lowest, and it highlighted everything in between. So this was basically yesterday and today's range. Or you can, you can actually select several. The colors are going to be a little bit different, so let's just do all of them right now just to test it. Go to the high-low highlights. We'll select some different colors here. The colors are going to be different because, first off, they're a little bit transparent and they're also overlapping each other. But you get the idea. So you can put you could put one of them, two of them, whatever you want to highlight if you want to highlight anything. So let me see. I'm just going to do the pre-market high and low. Let's see, there you go. So only the pre-market high and low. So you can highlight a range of values there. And that's pretty much it. Anyway, enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.